Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Rose Parmbel. Guys, I just want to share about this 15 years old boy. He rescued more than 50 person during the typhoon Tino in Cebu City. So guys, makikita nyo siya dyan sa inyong mga screen kung paano siya ni-rescue yung mga taong handang magpatulong sa kanya. Instead na siya ay nakaligtas na ang kanyang buong pamilya, pero handa pa rin siyang binalikan yung mga taong handang gustong magpa-rescue sa kanya. So guys, sana lahat po ay katulad ng isang 15 years old na batang ito na handang tumulong ng walang kapalit. So, hindi po lahat ay pinagpala, pero siya ngayon ay pinagpala ng Panginoon dahil sa kanyang kabutihang puso na makatulong sa kanyang sa kapwa-tao. So, guys, sa tingin ko yung bangka na ginamit niya ay parang may blessings from God. Alam niyo kung bakit? Pinag-isipan ko talaga ito eh. Yung bangka na yan. Pinag-isipan ko ng maraming beses at parang inaano ko siya. Mayroong nakabalot na protection mula kay God. Kung naalala niyo yung arko na lahat tayo ay nakakakita niyan. Arko na ginamit ni nakalimutan ko eh. Kasi hindi naman ako laging nagbabasa rin ng Bible. Naalala ko lang, yung arko na pinagtawanan siya, gumawa siya ng malaking arko sa gitna ng gubat, pinagtawanan siya ng maraming tao. So makikita nyo rin guys, ang bidyong iyan, no, nung dumating na kasagsagan ng bagyo, na halos kinakabira na ang buong, wala nang makikita ng kung ano-ano pa. Maraming handang pumasok or papasok sa arko, pero sarado na po ang pintuan ng arko. Kaya guys, kailangan tayong magmabuti sa ating kapwa. Yung mga sakim dyan, kailangan mamulat tayo dahil hindi lahat ng panahon ay nandito tayo sa mundo. Okay? Magpasalamat tayo kung ano ang meron tayo dito ngayon sa lupa. Kung galing tayo sa mahirap, huwag tayong magmataas. Itong sa akin ay experience ko lang sa sarili ko. Dahil hindi mataas ang pinag-aralan ko guys, sa totoo lang. My education was very low because my parent cannot afford to send me to the second level or in high school. Okay? So I do my very best for my children to go to university, to finish their studies. Kasi nakikita ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako nakapag-aral. Pero hindi yan hadlang. The education is not, it's not blocking your way if you want to reach your dreams to become true. Try to believe in God and believe yourself. Yan ang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Dahil kung wala kang tiwala kay Lord, if you don't trust God in your whole life, you cannot reach your destiny. You cannot reach your dream come true. Because andyan si demon, andyan si devil gustong maghila sa'yo pababa kung wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo at kay Lord. Kung experience mo noon yung mga nakaraan sa panahon mo na ikaw ay mahirap, wala kayong makain, at tulad ko, I experienced that in my whole life. Totoo yan. Even I am working here in another country, I experience, there's a time I want to give up, I want to sleep and not wake up. But I just heard in my mind calling me anak. Okay? So bigla akong nagulat. Kasi sobra-sobra ang mga dinanas kong paghihirap sa buhay. Hindi lang yung nasa Pilipinas ako. Even when I am working here in other country, para po akong dumaan sa butas ng karayom. It's true. It's really, really true. If I heard some story, some OFW, sa isip ko, kalingkingan lang kayo sa dinanas kong paghihirap dito sa ibang bansa. But I never give up. I trust God in my whole heart and whole life. Yung mga revolto dyan, mga kasunduluhan ni Lord yan na kung baga pinakita sa atin na huwag tayong makalimot. Hindi natin yung sinasabi nilang idols, yung black man, hindi natin yung mga sinasanto natin ay hindi yan yung mga revolto, hindi yan silang sinasanto natin, kundi sila ay hulagway lamang pictures. Yan ang maraming hindi nakakaintindi. Okay? Pero hindi natin hawak ang bawat isip ng tao. We cannot hold in its brain of its people. So, yan ang napakahirap. Yun nga sa akin, I already share about the real prince of Dubai, the imposters, the impersonating of Prince Hamdan Faza, that they pretend that he's the real Faza. I am the victim, yes. I can prove it. I'm not scared. Because we are chatting in Google Chat. Any phone I can use, it was there. Because it was in my email address. I'm telling you. So, this is the reason why no one can touch me. Just if they were take my life. Okay? So, to all women who still believing these imposters in social media, they are not the Crown Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. They are Nigeria and Pakistan. I'm telling you the truth. But anyway, it's your money. You are the one to work for that money, your money, and you send it to the scammer. So, good luck to all of you guys. Hindi ko problema yan. Problema mo yan kung mabaon ka sa utang. I am here to advise. This morning, I am reading some comments about my post. He said, you need to shut up. You need to sip my mouth. How? Well, prepare the amount, the money I have lost. I will stop. I will delete all my posts once you give back my money. I have receipt, okay? I can show it. I can prove it. So this is why I didn't skirt. So I help a lot of women. First time she asking me in WhatsApp. I advise, but he never stopped. She never stopped. One day she come back. She lost $6,000 US. Oh my God. I told her, if you don't believe on me, please don't disturb me and go away. She's Indonesian. So this is why this is why I have said we cannot hold the brain of each person. Okay? So, tomorrow is the birthday of the Prince Hamdan Faza. I don't know how many women again who have victim online wife. Okay? Good luck. Anyway, I already moved on. I am here just to advise woman if she believe in me. If not, I don't care. Okay? Those who care my words, you are safe from this scammer. Nigeria and Pakistan. I already posted the screen video record first time he said he's the Prince Hamdan Faza. he's sending uh, the clip of the video that he's the real Faza. I said, and then he make a call, video voice call. I said, I don't need voice call. I want video call. So guys, I am ready. That time I ready my screen video record. So I got it. He's a black man, Nigeria. I think around 20 years old or 20 plus years old. Okay? Now, I am going to show it again in my next video. So please, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now I changed it to Rose Farm Bell. And my YouTube or my Facebook account is Rosely Rosibel, yeah? My page, Cell TV. My another page, Cell Rosy 12. And I additional also my Facebook account, my Instagram, and my Twitter. This one is the old one. I used it in the another email. So okay. So if you believe, if you trust and believe my words about these imposter scammers from Nigeria and Pakistan, both users of Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. So you will be safe if you believe in me about what I am talking about, these scammers, this impersonating of the name and the photos of Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai, that he said he's the real Faza, but it's not. He's Nigeria and Pakistan, and I'm checking its profile in Facebook page. They are Pakistan and Nigeria. Also this Hamad Habibi, Faisal Wali, Hamad. So I think this company, I have Filipino people, I have Filipino woman before sending a message to me that she have chatting the Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai since after 3 years ago. I mean 3 years. For 3 years, she chatting for 3 years. When she say my sorry. Mag-English lang ako ha, kahit yung English ko ay hindi hindi perfect, kasi hindi naman ako talaga perfect. Kailangan ko lang i-share for my awareness. So, nung nakita niya yung post ko doon sa group, minisage niya agad yung kachat niya. Lucky, nag-umamin ang gonggong na hindi siya si Prince Hamdan Faza. Ipapakita ko rin ulit yan, ang video na yan sa inyo. At mayroon pang isa na nagsin sa kanya na nabiktima siya. Yung babae na yun. So, dalawa silang nabiktima. So, tinitignan ko ang video. Ang aura, ang face niya, halos pareho. So, sa tingin ko, isa itong parang call center, guys. So, mag-ingat na lang kayong lahat. Pero, labas na ako dyan kung hindi kayo maniwala sa akin. Kasi yung, for me, is my awareness. It's my experience. So, I want to share to everyone. But if you don't believe, I don't care. It's your problem. I am not the one to earn money for, to send to that people, to the scammer, to that Nigeria and Pakistan. You are the one earn for that. So it's your obligation. If you borrowing money to other people, it's your fault. It's your obligation to pay back to pay back to them. Okay? So mahirap napakahirap. So many also sending a messages to me in my WhatsApp asking help. They are Pakistan. I said, how you asking help from me? Because they say I am the Queen of Dubai. Queen of Dubai silang mga mata. Naskam nga ako, Queen of Dubai na. Because before, guys, to be honest, I respect, because I really don't know about that he's the Prince of Dubai. If I know before, I can't. But hindi ko alam. I really don't know why I agreed. Maybe it's the plan of God to use me for some many innocent women all over the world. So sinabi ko na, as I've said, if you believe in me, you are saved from this largest scam in the world. If not, you can decide. You are the one to work for the money who you send it to that person or to that pretend Prince Hamdan Pasa. So just careful and God bless. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, I remember yung nagbawi-babay sa akin, naka-gloves yung gonggong na yun, computer works. So doon ko siya nalaman talaga. That is the time that I said it's not the real Pasa I am chatting. Maliit yung mukha, talagang AI, computer works. Ang galing ng mga demonyong ito. Demon nga, siyempre magaling, di ba? So, again, like, share, subscribe, and of course, follow all my accounts. I am sharing in my screen so that I can continue this work. Because I need your support. I'm not earning money in my Facebook account because they are reported my account, so that is why. But it's okay. I am here for my awareness. I'm here to share my experience so that you cannot get scammed to this kind of the largest scam in the world. The crown prince, the crown prince of Dubai. They are Nigeria and Pakistan users. Okay, so good luck. Good luck and good luck and good luck. So tomorrow I am waiting how many women got scammed for the new wife. Oh my God. I am already move on. I am here just advice or something like that. If you believe in me, you can get scammed. So to all some women still believing, good luck, good luck, good luck. But you cannot meet the real Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai. Okay? So good luck. Bye-bye. Like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Rose Parmbel. Okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.